We give praise. We thank the Lord that we can come together one day more time. This is an awesome day, and we're back together with you just to do your weekly medical update. Today we're going to be still talking about our immune system and ways to boost it. We're going to talk about hydration and your immune system. That's the topic we're talking about today. And we put some pointers up there for you to follow and just to acknowledge. Please feel free to share, like, and share. It will also be on our YouTube channel a little bit later on. But for right now, invite your friends and loved ones just to share in their weekly medical update. Now, the body of an adult is comprised of approximately 60% water. And we find that water is an important thing. It's required for the body to do most of its functions. Most of the body systems need this. The organs, the tissues, the cells, everything to work appropriately, we need water. All right, and and for all the chemical reactions that take place in our body to happen properly, we need water. Water in our body also produces lymph. The lymph transport white blood cells and other cells that are part of the immune system. So for the immune system to function properly, you need the lymph that is going to transport the cells to the appropriate place that they need to be. Its absence leaves many of the body systems, including the immune system, to dysfunction. So if the water is not there in the right amount or adequate amount, then you can run into a problem. Water requirements may vary from person to person, but one of the good rule of thumb is to drink half your body weight in pounds in the number of ounces. However, if you are over your ideal, this is when we're talking about your ideal body weight, and that's a good time for me to mention ideal body weight. For most women, a good way to calculate it, it would be 100 pounds for 5 feet, and then 5 pounds per inch that is above 5 feet. That's a good rule of our ideal body weight. We usually say add probably another 20% to that to give you a little bit wider range. And for men, ideal body weight is around 100 pounds for 5 feet, and then 6 pounds per ounce for each inch above 5 feet. And again, you can add 20% to give yourself a little bit better range. So you can drink, a good average is about 64 ounces of water for most people. That's a good kind of middle of the road average. So you want to make sure you're drinking adequate amount. So staying hydrated can boost your immune system and boost your health. However, when we say hydration, we're talking mostly water. So because what you find is beverages like coffee can actually make you dehydrated. And you want to try to avoid those things that would do that. So the other thing that you can do to your diet is to add more fruits and vegetables that are going to hydrate you in your diet, such as cucumbers, celery, watermelon. These have a lot of natural fluids that is going to help your system. So you want to make sure that you're really maintaining a good amount of hydration, and you're following and eating regularly, eating the right foods. And remember now, we're looking at your overall health is what we're talking about. And it's going to be important that you do this so that you're best served and you're doing the best for your body. So everyone out there, hydrate, especially in the summer months when it's hot and you're losing a lot of fluids by sweating. You want to put that extra. Now, those people, just I would caution you, always check with your doctor. Some people are on fluid restrictions because of medical condition. I'm not telling you to hydrate. You need to check with your doctor to see how much fluids that you should be taking in. For example, those people on dialysis, those people with congestive heart failure, and those issues, make sure you check with your physician before you take any of this advice. But for the general public, hydration is going to be very important for your overall immune health. And this is another episode of your weekly medical update. Hopefully everybody enjoyed it. Share with your friends and your loved ones, and join us again next week. Have a blessed rest of the week. Blessings to one and all. Just let the Lord have his way.